come up on stage? Yeah, Tony is actually Brit, did a business in Russia, and now he almost live in Marinduque, 2 weeks a month, helping us in all our logistics, all our supply chain development, how to make Agria products a global brand, how to make Agria products be accepted in the market. And thank you so much for that. So Tony would always stay with our farmers, visit our farmers, and he's like our big daddy, all of us, because we're all small. Yeah, we're scared of Tony. And then, okay, I want to call Ma'am Brian. Ma'am Brian, your special mention to Mami Ivy. Yes, thank you so much for joining, and yeah, Ambassador David. Yeah, thank you so much, for supporting in us. Maraming salamat po talaga, no? I just would like to extend the gratitude that LEAF is not about me. It's not the only person who started LEAF. It's about all these people. You need a support system to make it happen. Yan po yung ating kailangan. Sa mga agripreneurs ko kanina, hindi niyo po yung kayang liparin na kayo lang mag-isa. You need to select the people who will grow the movement with you, who will grow the business with you. Tawagin ko rin po pala si Tita Susan Ase, member po ng aming Farm Tourism Association of Island Marinduque, to represent our team in Farm Tourism in Marinduque, at si Mio. Mio, hindi ka nag-video. And more than that, meron kaming 2 scholars dito na pinalipat namin from Mindanao. No, kasi ang Agria mayroong grow. No, tumutulong kami sa mga youth in Mindanao, Marawi, North Cotabato, Bukidnon. We have here King at saka Christine. Please come up on stage. Stan. Where is Stan? Saan si Stan? Okay. Sila po yung aming mga youth leaders na tumutulong po sa Marawi, sa North Cotabato, sa Bukidnon, Zamboanga del Sur. Next year po, magkakaroon kami ng program sa Sambasulta, Basilan, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. No, yung programa po namin. So, I think, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. At kung hindi po tayo sa inyong pagdating, hindi po matutuloy yung aming LEAF. Thank you so much.
Thank you! Thank you! Grabe ka! Mahawak na wala naman! Ikaw dito, I'll be joining! Sir, backwards po, backwards pa. Ha?
Saan ba ilalagay? Dito na pa ba? Abangan nyo sa po.
Thank you din po pala sa Raja team, yung aming mga photographers and videographers from Marinduque. At maraming salamat din po sa Taal Vista. No, sa lahat ng mga workers namin sa staff ng Taal Vista, sa inyong pag-alaga po sa aming mga guests at sa aming pagkain. Lights and Sounds Crew! Grabe, lahat ng events namin, nandiyan kayo. Sustainability Summit every year, kayo din po yung aming mga group hanggang po ngayon. Thank you so much. And all the delegates and speakers and moderators, thank you so much.
nasa likod, Glenn.
Nakaroll ka na ba?
Gilid na lang.
Nakaroll yung vibe mo dun?
Hindi, tight yun, tight.
Sir, pwede po yung nasa likod po, pwede po sa
Ready kayo?
Oh, rolling. Okay. Ready ah? Okay na? Okay na?
Wala silang ano?
Cue.
Wala silang ano, papa?
Okay, thank you so much. We're like a lot. This is not actually 1/4 of our group there. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Batch.
Okay,
Thank you,
no
Batch.
problem. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello.
Isaac. Jean Paul.
Sir. Tomorrow you I'll see you later.
Yeah. I have a session at the... My boss.
Binabati ko po yung barangay.
Bate. Oh, say hi.
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 Hi, mamaya ha. Hi. Wait lang. Okay.
Hello. Thank you, Andrea.
Ikaw, Gray, ah.
Thank you. Salamat po. Live 2018 na Andrea.
Mamaya daw. Hi. Hi guys, say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, congratulations.
Thank you.
Fantastic job. Sorry. Fantastic job. Congratulations. Thank you pala for coming.
Thank you po. Thank you for having us.
Thank you. Naka-live kayo sa news outlet namin. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so very much, guys. Sorry, what's the name of the group? Okay. Andun ba? Ay, kunin mo na lang. Kunin mo na lang to. Picture ko pala dito.